Okay, today we have a 2008 Chevy Cobalt, and I found out that we need to replace the power steering assist motor. The Cobalts don't actually have a power steering pump or power steering fluid or a reservoir or any of that kind of stuff. What they have is this electrical motor. So if you're having trouble with your steering and if it's getting slow, this is the thing you'll probably need to replace. Okay, I'm going to show you where this is located. It goes right underneath the dash here. Okay, underneath the steering column. It's located right there. And I just loosen this bolt right here. And there's another bolt on the other side as well. And here you can see the part after I've just removed it. It goes right there. So it was a quick project. It really only takes a few minutes if you really have the right tools and you know what you're doing. The wrench that I needed to use on mine at least was a 14mm socket, and I found that to be pretty quick once you get that. There's really only 2 bolts. You just pull, and then you put the grease on this little top here, and then just stick it back in on the new one and tighten it back up, and that's it.
And you found it helpful to take out the...
I found it helpful to take out the panel, the little access panel there on the left side on the bottom of the steering column. And it's this little panel right here. And when you get that out, you can just access the top bolt really easily.